Please be advised that certain products and/or multiplier levels may not be available for traders from EA countries. Hello friends, finally I came back to show you a new technique that you can use on all instruments. I want to clarify that from August 1st, 2018, I am not able anymore to use binary options due to new European laws. These rules affect also the maximum leverage that you can use if you are under European laws, but you can apply for a professional trader account when you want, and unlock all these limitations. Fortunately, these restrictions doesn't affect brokers that are regulated outside the European Economic Area. I will suggest 2 brokers at the end of this video that you can surely use. Today we use an external platform that for me is the best to analyze and study all instruments, TradingView. Using TradingView, you will have a lot of features and you can study instruments in a professional way. Moreover, it provides many useful indicators that you cannot find on all the brokers around the world. On the left of your screen, you can find drawing tools, analysis tools, and measurement tools. At the top of your screen you have the asset characteristics, graphical settings, and indicators section. At the bottom of the screen, you have a useful indicator about economic calendar that indicates when a news is coming. Well, now we need to set our chart. As usual, we will use Japanese candlesticks. Set a time frame of 1 hour. Now we are on the asset, Euro American dollar, but you can use these settings also on indices and commodities. Add the wave trend oscillator, as I am doing in the video. This technique is not difficult to learn. It says that we must open a position when the price breaks the higher or the lower price of the previous day. To take the right entry point, draw a horizontal line on the higher price and on the lower price of previous day, as I am doing. Very well. As you can see, our price broke the yesterday's higher. If you select the measure tool on the left of your screen, you can see that the price has moved for about 0.12% on the breaking candle, while at the moment it reached the 0.29%. If you use a leverage of 200 or 100, it is a really good percentage. I advise to not entry when the wave indicator is in overbought or in oversold zone. To be always advised, you can set alert on the horizontal line. Just click with the right button of your mouse and select Add Alert on Horizontal Line. Once you set your preferences, click on Create. Now, when the price will touch your alert, you will be advised by a sound or a pop-up. Unfortunately, this asset already touched the entry point, otherwise I could have done a live entry with you. I want to quickly show you that this technique works well also on other instruments. Pay attention and follow me. In the meantime, I want to inform you that we are releasing a video course to learn many techniques. This is just a taste of the many things that you can learn with our course. We will soon be opening a pre-sale campaign where you can purchase the course at a 40% discount. If you wish, in the meantime, you can join the brokers that I suggest in the video description. Well, before you enter a trade, you need to remember to check, always, economic calendar and technical summary. If you wish, you can check these tools also on my website, where you will find also some trading techniques for binary options and an indicators summary. I am going to recap the rules. Pay attention. Enter a trade if the price breaks the higher price of previous day. Enter a trade if the price breaks the lower price of previous day. Avoid to enter a trade if the indicator is too close the overbought or the oversold zones. Check always the economic calendar. Check always the technical summary. Perfect. Now I will show you how to set pending orders for this technique. We will use two brokers, IQ Option and IC Markets. This is the IQ Option chart. Here I have Heikin Ashi candles, but it is the same for this technique. To set a pending order on IQ Option, you can use the cross near the price. Or you can click just below the sell button and insert the required price. Then, give the direction of the trade. You can set take profit and stop loss, clicking on Edit Order button. This is the IC Markets platform, CTrader. But if you want, it is also available on MetaTrader. Here you can completely personalize your chart, change colors and many more. You can also save your layout as you prefer. We are on the CFD index, Germany 30, and I want only to show you how to set a pending order to take the right entry point. You can choose to set a pending order, clicking on the asset at the left of your screen, or if you prefer, it is more easier, right-click on the chart and select Buy Stop Order for for long positions and sell stop order for short positions. Double-click to set how many lots you want to buy or sell. Once you set the quantity, you will see how much capital you need. Then, click on Modify, and your order will be accepted. To set take profit and stop loss, you need only to move the bars, as I am doing in the video. I switched to my live account, so you can see that I often trade on this technique. I have a lot of good trades, but it happens also to lose, sometimes. Remind that 100% of success doesn't exist. Please consider that CTrader platform is a true ECN, and I suggest it if you trade also on forex and commodities, because very low spreads. Remember that this is not an investment advice and that this lesson is only for educational purposes. Don't lose your savings, and try always to learn using demo accounts before invest on real accounts. Very well, guys. I hope you like this technique. Don't forget to join brokers that I suggested if you want. See you soon. Richer than now.